Flipkart Seller Hub, driving engagement through targeted SEO. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the remarkable case study of Flipkart Seller Hub and how it drove engagement through a targeted SEO strategy. By addressing key challenges and implementing innovative solutions, Flipkart Seller Hub achieved exponential growth in organic traffic, keyword rankings, and business leads. If you're looking to optimize your own digital presence, this video is packed with actionable insights. Let's dive in. Introduction. Flipkart Seller Hub is a platform that enables manufacturers, vendors, and suppliers to sell their products online to over 450 million customers. While Flipkart is already a household name in India, its Seller Hub faced challenges in improving visibility for non-branded keywords and driving engagement organically. By partnering with SEO experts like Infidigit, they transformed their digital footprint. In this video, we'll discuss the challenges Flipkart Seller Hub faced, the strategies they implemented, and the impressive results they achieved. The challenges. Before implementing their SEO strategy, Flipkart Seller Hub encountered several obstacles. 1. Limited tech bandwidth. Technical constraints hindered the creation of new category landing pages, CLPs. 2. Lack of optimized pages. Missing blog pages and under-optimized content reduced visibility for non-branded keywords. 3. De-indexing issues. Some category pages were de-indexed by search engines, further limiting organic reach. 4. Competitive landscape. Competing with other e-commerce platforms required innovative strategies to stand out. The strategy. To overcome these challenges, Flipkart Seller Hub implemented a multi-tiered SEO strategy in collaboration with Infidigit. Here's how they did it. 1. Creation of new category landing pages, CLPs. Conducted competitor analysis to identify gaps. Designed and implemented new CLPs with optimized content targeting specific keywords like sell electronics online or start an online business. 2. Content optimization. Reoptimized existing CLPs by enriching them with additional content strategically placed within H2 tags. Ensured ideal keyword density for better rankings on Google SERPs. 3. Blog page implementation. Proposed new blog pages targeting long-tail keywords like how to sell on Flipkart or best practices for online sellers. These blogs served as a top-of-funnel strategy to attract potential sellers. 4. Improved internal linking. Identified opportunities for internal linking within CLPs and blogs. Used anchor text with high-volume keywords to improve crawl depth and user navigation. 5. Technical SEO enhancements. Conducted a comprehensive technical audit. Recommended concise URL structures and header optimization for better user experience and search engine rankings. The results. The results of these efforts were extraordinary. 1,133% increase in organic rankings for position 1 keywords. Achieved top rankings for competitive keywords. 563% growth in top 5 rankings. Improved visibility on page 1 of search results. 668% increase in non-brand clicks from category landing pages alone. 506% growth in blog page impressions within just 5 months of implementation. Here's a table summarizing the key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic rankings, number 1, plus 1,133%. Organic rankings, top 5, plus 563%. Non-brand clicks plus 668%. Blog page impressions plus 506%. Example, optimizing category landing pages, CLPs. Let's take a detailed example of how Flipkart Seller Hub optimized its CLPs. 1. Keyword targeting. Identified high-value keywords like sell fashion products online and Flipkart seller registration. 2. Content creation. Developed engaging descriptions highlighting the benefits of selling on Flipkart. Added FAQs addressing common seller queries like how do I get paid? Or what are the charges for selling? 3. Internal linking. Link CLPs to related blogs such as How to Start Selling on Flipkart or Tips for Maximizing Sales. 4. Schema implementation. Added structured data for FAQs to appear in rich snippets on search engines. By implementing these changes, Flipkart Seller Hub improved both search engine rankings and user engagement. Tools and resources. To achieve these results, Flipkart Seller Hub used several tools and resources. 1. Keyword research and tracking. SEMrush for identifying high-value keywords. Google Keyword Planner to analyze search volumes. 2. Content optimization. Grammarly to ensure error-free writing. Yoast SEO for optimizing meta tags and readability. 3. Technical SEO tools. Screaming Frog to identify technical issues like broken links. Gmetrics for improving page speed. 4. Analytics and reporting. Google Analytics to track organic traffic growth. Ahrefs for backlink analysis and competitor research. 5. Internal linking management. Link Whisper for automating internal linking suggestions. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from Flipkart Seller Hub's success story. 1. Invest in category landing pages, CLPs. Create optimized CLPs targeting specific categories to improve non-brand keyword rankings. 2. Leverage blog content strategically. Use blogs to target informational queries and drive top-of-funnel traffic. 3. Enhance internal linking. Improve site navigation and crawl depth by linking relevant pages using keyword-rich anchor text. 4. Conduct regular technical audits. Identify and fix issues like de-indexed pages or poor URL structures to maintain website health. 5. Focus on keyword optimization. Target both high-value short-tail keywords and long-tail queries for maximum reach. Conclusion. Flipkart Seller Hub's journey demonstrates the power of a well-executed SEO strategy combined with content marketing and technical improvements. By focusing on creating optimized landing pages, leveraging blogs, improving internal linking, and addressing technical issues, they achieved remarkable growth in organic traffic and engagement. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.